So I thought I'd do a quick explanation of my madness, because there's definitely a method to my madness. And this is a panel that I showed you a few videos back. I'll link to this at the end of this one. But basically it's a fold up panel. It folds up just a little bit bigger than the first panel I tried, which was only putting out about, I think, 14 or 15 volts. This is putting out about 19. And it folds up nice. Construction is really nice. It's got a USB plug, so I put my phone in here, which is the priority today. I've got to have my phone today, so so I put that in there, and then I ran the DC out, and I'll show you that in a second. But I wanted to show you these really cool tie out points that I've got. I've got some beaners, like I've got that one hanging on a beaner. I've got some more beaners. It came with some beaners. You could probably put your own. If the sunlight changes direction, something unexpectedly, I found this strapped around one of the trees, a little bungee. I'll tie that up, move it to a different tree, all that. But the key thing that I wanted to explain today is this. I think came off of a 100-foot spool, but as you can see, this was the thing that I figured somebody was going to give me a hard time about, and has yet to happen. But the method to my madness is that I can put that solar panel in the sun, and I can move it around at will into the sun while I am nice and protected in the shade. And that's the method to my madness. It's you know, I've been camping enough to know that there's shade and there's sunlight, and never the twain shall meet. So I figured I probably had better be prepared. And I did. I had like I said, I had a 100-foot spool, so that's probably 75, 85 feet off of that spool. Then it comes in here to the pack, which I'm charging. Comes off of a lighter adapter. This is what I charge the laptop. But I think the one bug in this thing may be you choose either or. You choose the laptop adapter or you choose the USB. But this thing is blazing, charging my drone up. I've got my devices lined up. I'm going to start charging them in a second. Got a couple more cameras I want to charge, and then I don't know. I just wanted to explain the method to my madness. This is the first camp that I've actually rolled this. Well, this is the second camp that I rolled this out at. The first one I only rolled a few feet out, probably a third of the distance. But now you can see, to get sunlight, I need some distance. I'm not sure how long that's going to be exposed because my geometry. But I mean, it looks like that's going to be visible for a good part of the day. So if I can just keep it plugged up there. Main thing is remaining in the shade. By God, that's so important when you're out in the woods, having some shade. Anyway, little tidbit on recharging your massive amounts of batteries, staying on the road.